Hello, I'm Yvonne Decelis, and I hope you can hear me. As I've said in the past, my latest sound solution, sorry for the hands, but unfortunately my latest microphone solution is not a solution at all. It does not work. I got a solution. I got a deity microphone on someone's recommendation, and it worked for about a week or two, and then it just stopped working altogether. And as I said in another video that I did earlier today, I didn't know if I was going to even be doing a video today, but since I'm having such a crappy day and such a crappy week, and I'm kind of annoyed, I do want to show you guys this exercise. Sorry about the bright lights. I could try to turn them down, but I don't know if that's really going to help. I just want to show you a way to get rid of anger or negative feelings in a legal way without hurting anybody. So this is a really quick one. But if you're mad about something, if there's someone that's making you mad or a situation that's making you angry, this is going to require visualization, as does everything with energy healing. What you want to do is you can have your hands out with your arms straight like this. You can have them bent. I usually have my arms out in front with like a slight bend to them. And what you want to do is visualize whatever it is that's making you angry or upset or nervous or anxious, whatever. Visualize it and put it in your hands. And best energy healing breathing is for energy healing and relaxation. You want to keep your tongue at the roof of your mouth, and if at all possible, breathe in through the nose, out through the mouth. That's not really as important. The most important thing is that you have your tongue touching the roof of your mouth whenever you inhale. So you want to breathe deliberately and slowly. Just be aware of your breathing as you're doing this. You don't want to stop breathing. So think about what's making you angry. Breathe in. Put it in your hands and make fists, but trust me, do not put your nails in towards your hands because you might squeeze so hard that you might actually cut into your hands and hurt yourself. So try not to bring your nails into your hands this way. Maybe bend your fingers a little extra so that the nails go upwards, or do this so that your nails are not going towards your hand at all. So you want to picture what's making you angry, put it in your hands, ball them into fists, and then breathe out. And on the next breath in, when you're ready, swing your arms out to the sides and overhead. This next part is up to you. You can either do a really quick throwdown, which is what I like to do, or you can do a very slow throwdown. I'll do the slow one first. So breathe in, breathe out, and slowly pull down whatever it is that's getting to you. Pull it down, 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 and as you get down low, release and let it go and shake your hands out, and don't put whatever it is that's getting to you, whatever's getting you angry or upset or anxious, whatever it is, try not to throw it towards any living being because you've got negative energy in your hands. You're focusing on something really negative, putting it into your hands, and either throwing it down really fast or bringing it down really slowly and then releasing it as your hands get down to the bottom. So I'm going to do this all over again very quickly. I like the throwdown method personally. That's what works best for me. And I think it was Dondi Dolan who one time said when she does it, she'll say she's mad at somebody named Gerald, she'll scream, "Gerald," as she's throwing it down. I don't do the verbal thing. I keep everything in my inner monologue, but if you want to shout when you're doing this, you can. You can make a noise, you can make a moaning sound, you can do breath. I really just do breath. So the way I do it is I put whatever it is that's getting to me in my hands, and I breathe in, and I curl my fists around what it is that's making me angry. Breathe in, swoop, put it overhead, and then I just throw it down. And I just let the breath out, and then I shake it out. And then I rub my hands together and shake them out again, just so that I can get rid of any negativity that I'm holding. That's how you get rid of negative energy. You can get rid of it with age. You can get rid of it by washing your hands with cold water, but I just find it easier to just rub hands together and shake them out. So I'm going to put this up on my channel. I apologize once again for this taking so long. It's been a really bad week, but I will be back next week if I can. I will be back. So I did just want to put this one up so I could put an energy healing video up for you guys. I really hope that was helpful. If it was helpful, please let me know or share it with someone if you think it might help anybody. And if you're new, I welcome you. And if you're not new, I thank you so much for putting me on the map and for helping me get my channel monetized. I really hope it goes somewhere. But as always, I thank you so much for your time and for your attention. And I am sending Reiki healing your way right now. Thank you so much. Peace and light. Namaste. And as always, thank you so much for listening to me babble. And again, I really hope you guys could hear me. Take care of yourselves. Peace and light. Namaste. Bye-bye.